WordPress Website Builder Honest Review, Watch Before Using. Links to WordPress are provided in the description if you want to explore it further. WordPress is a versatile, open-source platform that powers over 40% of the websites on the internet, making it one of the most widely used website builders available today. Unlike simpler drag-and-drop builders, WordPress offers full control over your site's design and functionality, thanks to its extensive range of themes, plugins, and customization options. This makes it ideal for users who want to scale their site or integrate advanced features over time. One of the biggest advantages of WordPress is its plugin ecosystem, with over 50,000 plugins that allow you to add almost any functionality imaginable, from SEO tools and e-commerce integrations with WooCommerce to social media widgets and email marketing services. Additionally, WordPress is highly flexible in terms of design. You can choose from thousands of free and premium themes, or customize your site entirely if you have coding skills. This makes WordPress a great option for businesses, bloggers, and developers who want more than just basic templates. However, WordPress does come with a steeper learning curve compared to other builders like Wix or Squarespace. New users might find it initially challenging due to the vast number of options and settings, and there's also a need to manage updates, backups, and security yourself, though many hosting providers now offer managed WordPress plans to simplify this process. In summary, WordPress is a powerful platform suitable for those who want a scalable, customizable website. It's particularly ideal for businesses and advanced users who require flexibility and full control over their site's functionality. If this review was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe for more honest reviews on popular tools to help you make informed decisions. Thanks for watching.